that my parents had sent me here to serve the people of Earth and to be a good man. I'm not here to rule over anybody, Lois.
Your choices, Clark. Your actions. That's what makes you who you are.
I'm as human as anyone. I love, I get scared. I wake up every morning and despite not knowing what to do, I put one foot in front of the other and I try to make the best choices I can. I screw up all the time. But that is being human. And that's my greatest strength.
Deep, slow breaths, ma'am. You're gonna be fine.
I'm not who I thought I was. They sent me here to hurt me.
You trust everyone and think everyone you've ever met